In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record clips of your games with Metal TV. So this is a very easy and simple way to record clips. You simply just open up a game, it will recognize the game. You can then press a key on your keyboard and it will record the last 30 seconds of your gameplay. So this is great for clips. And then you can download this to your computer or you can share it on Metal. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So first you need to go to metal.tv and download the application, run the application, and then once you've run it and created your account, you will then be taken to this window. Here you can then go to the record window, and first we need to launch our game. Now once you've launched your game, it should recognize it in the top left hand corner. As you can see, we're playing Minecraft. If you then click on this, make sure record with Metal is turned on. Here you've got your video capture source, which is going to be the game. You've got your quality as well. By default, it'll be on 720 by 60 FPS. Click on the settings and you can bump it up to high quality if your computer will take it. It will use more resources and you will need a stronger computer. I'm just going to keep it on standard, but you can try and experiment with both. You've then got microphone source. If you want it to pick up your microphone as well, you can go ahead and select any microphone. You can then go into audio source and see further details, and you can enable PC audio as well as your microphone. And then you've got recorder settings, which will allow you to manually capture using a hotkey. We'll get to that in a second. So if you wanted to record clips, you need to click F8 and it will clip the last 30 seconds. So go ahead and play your game like normal. Then once you are inside of your game, you can play. Then once you've made some play, click on F8 and it's going to see you can save the last 30 seconds, which you can see in the top left hand corner. Now we're back on Metal, you can see we now have the last 30 seconds that I just played, and essentially we have a clip which we can share. We can click share in the bottom right hand corner, we can send it to Discord, or we can just simply open the file location, and then we can do whatever we want with this clip. So that's how I would do it. Thank you for watching.